Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about topic that has been a lot of people's minds lately. Will AI replace writers? Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including the writing field. Some experts believe that AI will eventually replace writers altogether, while others believe that AI will simply augment the work of human writers. There are few potential benefits to using AI generated content. First, it can be produced quickly and easily. Second, it can be tailored to specific audience. Third, it can be more factually accurate than human written content. And it can be more creative than human written content. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to using AI generated content. First, it can be repetitive and formulaic. Second, it can lack the human touch, and it can be difficult to understand. Also, it can be biased sometimes. So, what does the future holds for AI and writing? It is unlikely that AI will completely replace writers in the near future. However, AI is likely to have a significant impact on the writing field. AI is likely to be used to automate some tasks that are currently performed by writers. AI is also likely to be used to create new forms of content that are not previously possible. The impact of AI on the writing field is still uncertain. However, it is clear that AI has the potential to revolutionize the way that writers work. Writers who are able to adapt to the changing landscape will be the ones who thrive in the future. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.